Welcome back, first timers, but if you're new here, I'm David and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In today's episode, we got your comments, we got your messages, and we're back at Clean Eatz to try their cafe menu.
Location, they have a ton of weekly specials, student specials, community appreciation specials, even a Taco Tuesday. They even have their own line of seasonings here. Some of them look really good. We picked up 2 other pizzas we're going to try. One is a whole wheat and one is a cauliflower crust.
We may have gone a little overboard with the ordering, but we wanted to try a little bit from all aspects of their menu. We got the 2 frozen pizzas that we're gonna take home and cook. We got a pepperoni with wheat crust and then a buffalo chicken pizza with the cauliflower crust. We got the Clean Eatz Burger with the turkey patty.
We got the Philly flatbread.
We got their limited time offer of the Bison chili.
We got a chicken parm melt, which sounds really good. We also got their meat and taters wrap. I'm excited about that one too.
And each one of these came with a side, so we got a bunch of fries. We had to double up on the sweet potato fries because those are really good. And then on Saturdays, it's 50% off all their smoothies, so we had to try the Very, Very Good.
And the Tropical Bliss.
We're gonna take all this home, heat up the pizza, and let you know what we think.
It's gonna be a smorgasbord of Clean Eatz.
So you guys have seen us try the meal prep meals from Clean Eatz. You've also seen us get the frozen ones and take those on a trip and eat those. But we've never really taken the time to eat what they have to offer at their cafe. And in the times that we've eaten there, we've really enjoyed it. This is gonna be an opportunity for us to go through a lot of the menu, see what we like, what we don't like, and let you know what we think. So we're gonna jump into the smoothies first because they're melting quickly. The Tropical Bliss is vanilla whey protein, mangoes, and peach. And it's 300 calories per serving.
Smells pretty good.
Definitely get a lot of that peach and mango. Very vanilla forward. It almost comes off like a milkshake, really.
Very tropical.
Yeah, and it doesn't have that real strong protein powder flavor you get sometimes.
Like
where
that
it's like
grittiness.
Yeah, it's real smooth. Feeling stronger already. The Very, Very Good is 315 calories. It has the same vanilla whey protein, but it has strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries.
All right.
Oh, I like that one a lot.
Yeah, I like that one better.
Yeah, that one's, it's like a berry milkshake. That's delicious. Of the 2, I like that one better, but
They're both really good.
Definitely would drink a gallon of either one.
And they're half off on Saturday.
So I could probably get a gallon. Oh, brain freeze. Ow. Let's move on to the food.
First up, we're going to start with the Clean Eatz Burger. It comes with lettuce, onion, tomato, turkey bacon, and cheese. Before you add the meat, which we went with the turkey patty, it is 392 calories. With the turkey patty, you add another 244 calories.
It smells really good. It doesn't come with any sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, anything like that, so you could add that yourself, but we're going to try it.
All natural.
Yes. And then for this one, we got a side of the sweet potato fries, which we know we love. They look real crispy and thin. I hate waffle fries. Except for when they're sweet potato waffle fries. And so here's the turkey burger. The bun looks, it's a wheat bun. The vegetables all look fresh.
Yep.
The meat looks juicy. The cheese is cheesy.
Just like us. It's got a lot of flavor.
There's some smoke to that turkey.
That bacon's pretty good too.
That's pretty good for turkey bacon. It's crispy, good flavor. This is a really good burger. It's packed with flavor. And it's so juicy that you don't really need the oral lubricants like mayonnaise or mustard. But all right, let's try their limited time offer Bison chili bowl.
It smells really good.
It's packed with smells, and it has a meaty richness to it that is definitely beyond just a normal beef smell.
Yeah, it's got bison, beans, rice, peppers, cheese. Looks pretty good.
Let's do it.
I really like that.
Again too, yeah. It's very flavorful without being like gamey or anything. I've never really had bison, but It's good. It has a nice solid bite.
Yeah.
Good texture. And I know a lot of people like Wagyu. I had a Wagyu burger really for the first time not that long ago. And I thought it was really too soft for me.
Yeah.
I like the tougher texture of the Bison over like a Wagyu. I know that's probably weird, but
I would recommend checking this out while it's still on the menu.
yeah. It's seasoned really well. The only thing is I'd probably pump the spice up a little bit, and we're not big spice people, but I think a nice little extra kick of heat would be nice here. Now we have the chicken parm melt, which is like a giant quesadilla. And this one has chicken, spinach, marinara sauce, cheese, all in a big wrap. It's a little messy, but it's packed. And then for the side on this one, we got the mixed vegetables, which came with carrots, broccoli, and cucumber. The chicken parm melt is 511 calories before you add in the vegetables. So right off the bat, the chicken isn't breaded or anything, and I wasn't expecting that. So it's a chopped chicken with sauce and some vegetables.
It exploded down my sleeve.
This one is definitely not in my favorite.
Not your favorite category. It's good. The chicken's nice. It's not dry. It's just not as flavorful as the first two.
I think going from those other ones that were flavor bombs, this one's really mild. It still is really clean. It's good flavor, good texture. It just doesn't have the pop. But maybe this is where you could add seasoning sprinkles that they have.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I think there's like a pizza flavor. That might be good on here.
Yeah. This one just needs a little pizzazz, and I think those spices would probably fill that gap. But it is huge and densely packed.
Lots of chicken in there.
We're now going to try the Philly flatbread. This one has 358 calories before you add the mac and cheese that we got. The first thing that stood out about this was the mac and cheese is different from the mac and cheese that comes with the prepared meals. I think I want to try that first because they're a penne with a white sauce rather than a macaroni noodle with the yellow sauce that we got used to with Clean Eatz.
Let's try this out, huh?
So let's see.
It's good. Just a little spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, I hit some spice on that.
Like
Jalapeno. Yeah. And the noodles
good.
are cooked well. They're tender but still have a nice bite to them. They always seem to be really good at the noodles. The sauce is, like she said, spicier and has a jalapeno aftertaste.
I really like that.
Yeah.
I could crush a whole cup of that.
And the Philly flatbread. It's fluffy, it's soft, it's crispy, packed with meat. And drippy.
That's good flavor too.
Onions, peppers, cheese. The meat's really well seasoned.
Yeah, meat's super tender. I like that.
That's really good. Wow.
It is drippy and good.
I think you're getting your money's worth on this one for
Yeah,
sure.
that'll fill you up. We're moving on to the meat and taters wrap. It's got 664 calories, and we also got the sweet potato fries again because we love them so much.
This one has the shredded beef, lettuce, red potatoes, queso,
Ooh, queso, I love their queso.
and their Clean Eatz chipotle sauce. Packed. I mean, so this is just a slice of the wrap, but they pack so much meat in here that you're definitely getting your money's worth. Cheers. That's really good chipotle.
Yeah.
The cheese is good, but not overpowering. I like that one.
The potatoes are nice, they're not mushy.
I haven't even got to the potato.
It's more, there's way more beef than there is potato.
That's a good potato. That's a really good potato. The potatoes are delicious.
It's spicy, not too spicy.
Terry's right. There's way more meat in here than there are potatoes. I almost would say throw in some more potatoes. That's a packed wrap.
There's a lot of meat.
The whole thing is pretty massive. That might be my favorite one so far today.
Really?
I think so. That was really good. Last but not least, we have not one, but two of their frozen pizza offerings. While we wait for the pizza to cook, we're gonna try a new flavor from Moment Drink.
Ta-da! It's cranberry ginseng. I've had this in the fridge for a little while now. Been waiting to try it, and I think today's the day.
So we've done a couple reviews of Moment Drinks. We did our original one here, which if you haven't seen, make sure you take a look because we drank an entire mixed pack in one sitting for the first time. And it's a fun one to watch. It's one of our earlier videos, but it is fun. And it is definitely an honest review about Moment Drinks.
Yeah.
We did a follow-up 4 or 5 months later where we tried a bunch of their new flavors. And if you haven't seen that one, you can check out this one right here.
Moment is a woman-owned company. They have different adaptogens and botanicals in them to help you kind of relax and chill out a little bit.
They're all natural. There's no sugar added. There's no alcohol, no CBD.
No.
With those adaptogens and the antioxidants and the different botanicals that they add in there, it really does create a calming relaxation effect. So for me, one of them will just really chill me out. Two of them will kind of bring the mood back up. And then three of them, I'm getting wild. I'm getting wild on the moment.
If you're looking for an alcohol replacement, this is really good. If you're just looking to relax a little bit, this is really good.
We keep it in our fridge all the time. I have one every day. Terry has one.
Every once in a while.
And they've really changed my mood. They've changed how I feel about going to work, staying at work, and showing back up to work the following day. They've been a huge bonus for me.
Yeah.
I love them. I don't stop ordering them. And if you want to try them, use our referral link down in the description below, and then don't forget to use our referral code to get 15% off your order. We're not sponsored, but we do have an affiliate link, and then when you purchase, we do earn a little residual off that, just so you know. We would be buying them even if we didn't have an affiliate link.
But this flavor, like I said, is cranberry ginger, and it has antioxidants in this one to boost your immunity. It's got vitamin C, ginger to help your mood and reduce bloating, and cranberry, which is good for the whole body. Oh yeah. It's got a nice pinkish color. Oh, it smells really good.
Kind of smells like a cranberry squirt drink.
Is that your name in high school?
Yeah. Yes, it was.
Like a 7-Up or a ginger ale.
I'm still saying cranberry squirt.
Yeah.
It's very.
That kind of tastes like squirt.
It's like a squirt-esque, squirt light, light squirting maybe.
A light squirting. This is really good.
It's a lot more mild and mellow than some of the ones that I've had, but
it's really good holiday flavor. I'm glad I saved it.
I think you can't go wrong with this. Try a variety pack because then you can see which ones you like.
Use our code FirstTimers2023. It's still good in 2024.
We're not changing it. I mean, we might change it. Back to the food.
We've got the pepperoni on the wheat crust and the buffalo chicken pizza on the cauliflower crust.
Both super thin.
The wheat crust feels thinner than the cauliflower.
It's almost like a cracker pizza. Again, pizza's not generally healthy or that good for you. So we'll see if this can scratch an itch for pizza in this health-conscious line that they have here.
All right, cheers. That's pretty okay.
If you're really hurting for pizza, but you're still trying to maintain a diet or watch what you're eating, this is probably a good option.
Yeah.
And I'm a strong believer of all pizza's good pizza.
I think it's really good for a healthy option for pizza. It's super thin, it's crunchy. The pepperonis have a lot of flavor to them. Probably don't get just cheese. You need a little something on top. I don't even know if they make just cheese.
What's the calories for this? Okay, well, now that I look at the macros for this, I'm on board with this pizza. For this pizza, it's 423 calories. There's 23 grams of fat, 22 grams of protein, and 32 grams of carbohydrates, and that's for the wheat crust. You still get the effect of having pizza.
I like it.
The last one we do is the cauliflower crust buffalo chicken pizza. The crust is a little bit fluffier on this one, not as crispy, which I think I would like better, but you like a thin crust.
Yeah.
This one's coming in at 678 calories, but it has sauces and a little more cheese, and there's chicken involved also. It has 30 grams of fat, 63 grams of carbs, and 39 grams of protein. So this one's a little bit more densely packed. So maybe this is one you might share with somebody, but we'll see. Let's give it a try.
Okay. It definitely tastes like buffalo chicken. Without the gross blue cheese.
I like this one a lot better than the pepperoni.
Really? I like the pepperoni. This one's good. Especially if you're like craving wings and pizza.
I would even say I'd recommend this. I'd pick one of these up and just have it on hand. All right, Clean Eatz.
You won them over.
So in our previous video where we did a review of a whole week's worth of Clean Eatz, which if you haven't seen, we'll link right here. We recommended Clean Eatz for their meal prepping service, and then we also recommended them for the grab-and-go frozen meal options that we took to EDC, which we'll link right here. After having their cafe food, I think they're a triple threat. You guys got to watch out. They're going to take over the world.
Yeah.
The food options, the flavor, it's clean, it's vibrant, flavorful. Everything that we've had was really, really good.
If you're looking for a healthier option in the new year, you know, everybody starts out January wanting to lose weight, go on a diet. This is a diet plan already made for you. And it's not even a diet, it's just cleaner food.
We're not dietitians.
Yeah.
Or bodybuilders or workout fanatics, but we do know flavorful, good food, and that's what they bring to the table in something that has less preservatives, more flavor. It's not packed with all the additives like other prepared meals.
And I definitely appreciate that. I like a nice, clean food, and it's so convenient. Whether you get their meal plans or you just pop in the store and grab their frozen ones or from their cafe menu, so convenient.
We're not affiliated or sponsored at all by Clean Eatz. These are our honest reviews. We bought this food, we tried it, and we continue to like it.
Yeah.
So hope you get out there, try one if you have one nearby. And then also they do have a shipping option, which we haven't tried, but they'll send them to you in the mail.
But there's locations all over the United States, so go online, see if there's one close to you, and check it out for yourself.
So thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five. It's like a squirt-esque, squirt light squirting, maybe.
A light squirting.
Yeah.